Must be make that one as long is better as long. So that's very well. Tape. Aywa. That's good now. And then this tape this one now. You can see as lang. Always remember this is power. This is power going from there and then return cable. This one is the same in one for this. Okay? So you put now the power because the red is the power and then the yellow is going to capacitor. That is good now. And this blue always common. You put in the line 1 alatun, line 2 alatun. Okay? Now you tape that one. But then we testing. Tape that one now. That is always, remember this is always common. No? This common means direct to this connect. Nothing going from return. Okay? To make sure that your wiring is good, put that one now. Calibrate the multimeter. See? See? You put that one. You put that one. You put that. Put the other one. See? Must be this one hub. If no more, there is something wrong. See? Must be hub. That one must be hub reading. If no reading, considered cut. There is cut. Or otherwise the mechanical timer not working. See? There is reading. So consider that is good. If you off here, it's off also. You can see. Okay. You can see now. You try now. It's off also. See? Not right. And this one also. In the washing machine. You can see. Must be hub also. And then after that, it's off, button on. It's off, button on. You can see. It's off, button on. Due to mechanical timer. That's the Aywa. That is indication that your wiring is good. Use the multimeter. You can see if your wiring is good. Okay. Okay. You try now, but then take ampere. It's good now. That one.